So we learned about if statements, certain code that runs only if a certain condition is true. But oftentimes, what we want is basically for our program to go this way if it's true, and this way if it's false. So if it's true, we do this. If it's false, we do this. So there's something we do if it's true and something we do if it's false. In order to pull this off, we use what's called an if-else statement. So if the condition is true, we run this code. Else, we run this code. The biggest mistake I see when people are trying to write else statements, there's two issues that I see. Sometimes I'll see people try to do an else without an if, which doesn't make any sense. The other thing I see is I'll see people try to put a condition on else. You don't need a condition. It's going to run if the other condition isn't true. You don't have to write a special condition here. So let me show you what I'm talking about down here. So we've got the same code from before, but what I've done is I've added an else statement. So if it's even, this code right here is running, okay, and saying basically that it's even. Else, I'm printing out that it's odd. So if I run this code, 23 is odd, so it skips over this code and it runs this code instead. Now, if it's 24, it runs this code and skips over this code. And again, notice I don't have to say else number modulus 2 equals 1 or doesn't equal 0. I don't need to say that. It'll even yell at me if I try to do that because I can't put a condition on an else. Okay? So that's what we've done. We've created code that branches now. There's an if this is true, do this, else do this.